Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we introduce Key Driver Analysis, a new capability that leverages the power of Qlik AutoML to surface the most influential factors that are driving an organization's outcomes in their analytics. Users can simply right-click on a chart to initiate a key driver analysis, and then specify a target measure and specific features they want to include. The AutoML engine will then generate an analysis that shows the fields in your data model that are most affecting the target measure, complete with visualizations and natural language generated insights. You can see the key drivers ranked by importance and can further select each one to get a breakdown in distribution of the values and their influence. With key drivers, users can better understand the reasons for historical results, not just the what, but the why, providing deeper insight and supporting more meaningful action. And that is your SaaS in 60. To watch more in 60, check out the SaaS in 60 playlist in our YouTube channel, and be sure to visit the Qlik Learning portal at learning.qlik.com, your one-stop shop for all your learning needs.